Soon to Atlanta, Georgia, we are going to have 8-hour combo welding workshops. That's right, combo welding, where you're going to learn how to use the cutting torch, stick welding, and MIG welding, and we're going to do some fabrication and going to leave with a little structure so that way you can have something to honor once the process is done. We're going to bring these on the weekends, Saturday classes, for those who want to dive into it and see if it's something that they want to do. These classes will be $375 for the combo classes, and then also we're going to have regular MIG welding classes for $225, and we're going to have regular stick welding classes for $225, and regular flux core classes for $225, and also regular TIG welding basic classes for $225. We're going to be rotating these classes every other week once we get these started. We're going to be in the Union City and Atlanta, Georgia area. So for those who want to learn more about what we're about to do and really want to learn the trade, family, all you have to do is give us a call at 404-368-6050. Leave an email. You can also text that number, and you can email us at yourweldingcoach@gmail.com. That's right, Your Welding Coach. I'm going to be there hands-on teaching you how to learn the trade. Hold on.